4 clues to guess the card. What is it? This is Mark. This is English Fluency Practice. This is the card guessing game. I will give you 4 clues. You guess what is behind the card. The topic is nature. In our last video, I gave you these 4 clues. Let's review the 4 clues and find out what is behind the card, shall we? Okay, good. Here we go. Clue number 1. It's hot and produces light. It's hot and produces light. Clue 2. You use it to cook food. You use it to cook food. Clue 3. It can be dangerous. It can be dangerous. Clue 4. It's a natural phenomenon. It's a natural phenomenon. What is it? Do you know? Okay, here we go. Drum roll. And it is fire. Did you get it? Okay, good. It's fire. It's hot, right? If you touch it, you'll burn yourself. And it produces light. If you're outside camping, you light a fire, a campfire, and you can see your friends. Of course, you use it to cook food, right? We use it in our kitchen, right? It's when you turn on your stove, fire comes out, yeah? And then, of course, you can go camping. You can have a barbecue and cook with open fire, yeah? An open flame. It can be dangerous, right? You could have, you could burn yourself. You can burn things with fire. So it can be dangerous if you are not careful. So be careful with fire. And it's a natural phenomenon. It happens naturally, right? It's not made in a factory. It's not produced in a factory. It's a natural phenomenon. Okay, great. As you know, there is something else behind the card. I have 4 clues, and you guess what is behind the card. So let's find out what else is behind the card. Here we go, 4 clues for you to guess what is behind the card. Clue number 1. It's a type of fungus. It's a type of fungus. Clue 2. It's often found in forests. It's often found in forests. Clue 3. Some types are edible. Some types are edible. Clue 4. It has a cap and stem. It has a cap and stem. What is it? Okay, well, you have to come back for the next video to find out what is behind the card. Good luck, okay? So I hope you can guess what is behind the card. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.
Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe. And please ring that bell to get all my videos. And please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to Patreon, check out those worksheets. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.